Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to log in my Twitter account and it shows sorry we could not find your account. But here I enter the correct email ID. So when I try to create my first Twitter account I use the same email ID. Then why it shows this kind of message. So let's go to our tutorial. So if you get this message, just one time clear the Twitter app data. And also don't forget to restart your Android mobile. So after the restarting is completed, now I try to open my Twitter mobile application. So here I try to press login. But in this section, you can press forget password. And then enter your Twitter account linked email ID. And click to search. So now they show my Twitter account linked email ID. So just select it. And click to next. And they send the verification code. So now I try to check my inbox. And this is that password reset code. So just copy that code. And then go back to your Twitter application. So here I try to paste that copied code. And click to verify. So once you verify your identity and finally you get to the password reset section. So just type your new password. And then press reset password. And they ask for the valid reason. So you can select forget password. And click to next. So now my password is changed to new one. So finally you can press continue to Twitter. But friends, now this time you can see my Twitter account is opening very smoothly and it does not show any other error notifications. So anyway, if this trick works for you, just leave a one like. So otherwise, just put your valuable comments. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.